Disclaimer. This podcast is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new peptide, supplement, or treatment. Today I want to talk about one of the questions I get asked the most. Can peptides actually help with aging skin? And the truth is, yes, they can. But the way they help and the expectations people should have are often misunderstood. So let's break it all the way down in a simple, clear, and real way. Because if you're like me, you want results. And you want to understand why something works before you spend your time, money, or energy using it. When we talk about aging skin, we're talking about fine lines, loss of elasticity, dryness, sagging, texture changes, and that overall dull look that creeps in over the years. A lot of this happens because collagen production slows down, elastin weakens, inflammation rises, and our skin doesn't repair itself as quickly as it used to. That's where peptides come in. Peptides are basically tiny messengers that tell the skin what to do. They don't force anything. They signal. And the skin responds. One of the most popular skin peptides is GHK copper. This peptide naturally exists in the body, but its levels decrease with age. What makes it powerful is that it can signal wound repair, collagen production, anti-inflammation, and even improve skin thickness and firmness. People who use GHK copper regularly often notice smoother skin, improved tone, and that healthy glow that looks like you slept 12 hours. Whether applied topically or injected as part of a broader anti-aging protocol, it's one of the most researched peptides in skincare. Another peptide worth mentioning is SNAP-8. This one is known as a topical peptide that helps relax the look of expression lines. Think forehead lines, crow's feet, and the 11 lines between the brows. It doesn't paralyze the muscle like Botox. Instead, it softens the communication at the neuromuscular junction, so your skin looks more relaxed and less tense. It's a great addition if you're trying to soften lines without injections. Then we have peptides like AOD9604, KPV, and BPC157. Now, some people don't realize these also play a role in skin health. AOD can help with inflammation. KPV is fantastic for calming redness, irritation, and inflammatory skin issues. And BPC157 is known for tissue repair and enhanced healing. When inflammation goes down, your skin automatically looks more youthful. When healing improves, your skin texture gets smoother. And when collagen production increases, you see firmness and better structure. Another thing people overlook is that peptides don't just work on the surface. Some, like thymosin alpha-1 or epithelon, work systemically. They support overall repair, cellular regeneration, and immune balance. When your internal systems run better, your skin reflects it. It's all connected. The outside shows what's happening on the inside. Now, here's something important. Peptides don't replace basic skincare. They complement it. You still need hydration. You still need sunscreen. You still need consistent routines. Peptides are not magic if the rest of your skincare is chaos. But when added into a good routine, they can transform how your skin looks and feels. So, let's talk about results. When do peptides actually start working on aging skin? For most people, changes begin around 4 to 8 weeks with topical use. But deeper changes, like improved firmness or reduced wrinkles, often take 12 weeks or more. This isn't instant. It's a slow, steady improvement. But the results tend to be natural, subtle, and healthy-looking. One of the biggest benefits of peptides is that they don't usually cause irritation or sensitivity the way some stronger skincare actives do. Retinols, acids, and harsh treatments can peel your skin. Peptides communicate with your skin instead of fighting it. That makes them ideal for people who are sensitive or dealing with conditions like rosacea or eczema. Let's talk about stacking peptides. This is where things get interesting. Using GHK copper with SNAP-8 is one of the most popular combinations for aging skin. Add in BPC157 for repair. Add in KPV for inflammation. And suddenly you have a routine that hits multiple angles. Hydration, firmness, smoothness, reduced redness, better texture, and a more youthful overall appearance. And if you're someone using injectable peptides, even if they're not specifically for skin, you may notice improvements anyway. Peptides like thymosin alpha-1, Cmax, MOTS-C, and even certain growth hormone secretagogues can indirectly support better collagen, tissue repair, and healthier skin tone. Skin is a mirror. When the body feels better, looks better, and functions better, the skin shows it. Another question I get is whether peptides can replace procedures. And the answer is usually no. They may reduce how often you need them. They may extend the life of your Botox or fillers. They may improve your skin so much that you don't need aggressive treatments. But if someone has deep wrinkles, major sagging, or advanced photo damage, peptides are a support tool, not a full replacement. Think of peptides as a long-term investment in healthy, youthful skin. Let's also talk about the glow people get from peptides. This is real. When collagen production increases, when inflammation goes down, when the skin barrier gets repaired, when hydration improves, that glow shows up. It's not makeup. It's not filter glow. It's real biological radiance. Another thing I love about peptides is how customizable they are. Some people only need one. Some people create a full routine. Some prefer topical. Some prefer injections. Some rotate. Some use them daily. There's no one right way. It's about what your skin needs and what fits your lifestyle. If you're trying to choose your first peptide for aging skin, start simple. GHK copper is my #1 recommendation. Then consider adding something like SNAP 8 or BPC 157, depending on your concerns. Keep your routine simple so you can see what's actually working. Then build from there. Always remember that peptides don't work if you don't use them consistently. A bottle sitting in your bathroom doesn't give results. The magic is in daily use, patience, and understanding that skin changes from the inside out, not overnight. The last thing I want to say is this. Skin aging is normal. It happens to everyone. Peptides aren't about chasing perfection. They're about supporting your skin so you look healthy, confident, and vibrant at every age. They help you age intentionally, not desperately. And I think that's the real beauty of them. They empower you to take control of your routine in a way that feels doable, sustainable, and supportive. Next to last disclaimer. This podcast is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new peptide, supplement, or treatment. Thanks for listening, keep learning, and stay curious.